KISCO is a Korean chemical company that has been operating for over 50 years. We have a long history of developing new products, creating colors and chemical solutions for a wide range of industries. We are a large-scale manufacturer with 10 factories located across South Korea. This is backed by research teams that develop new materials. The KISCO Group supplies products across 4 business areas. Dyes for textiles remains our largest market segment. We develop and manufacture reactive and disperse dyes for a wide range of fabrics. Based on this know-how, we also manufacture and formulate ink powders and inks for digital textile and UV printing. These inks are designed for textiles and signage applications. Our fine chemicals expertise includes products such as saccharin and other sulfur-based chemicals for food, pharmaceuticals, and agriculture. Our functional materials include chemicals for displays and other electronics such as photoactive materials, pigments, graphene, and polymers for batteries. Based in Korea, we supply customers in over 60 different countries. We are committed to supplying high-quality products using sustainable processes and promise a reliable supply from Korea. KISCO, creating colors and chemical solutions.